Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you waterfall across Maharashtra which are popular among the tourists. Maharashtra is blessed with many heritage sites, beaches, historic monuments, extensive forts, waterfalls and Sahyadri mountains. To get update about such places, subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. First is Thosegar waterfall, which is near Satara city, on the edge of the Konkan region. There are a series of waterfalls near Thosegar. This is the most spectacular waterfall in Maharashtra and visited by thousands of people during the monsoon. The area around fall is a calm and quiet with the lakes and dark jungle in the hilly area. Second is Randha waterfall. Is the third highest fall in Maharashtra. There are few steps down for a pond of the waterfall, and from there the view is just amazing. Along with fall there is a Ghorpada Mata temple and around 10 km Arthur Dam, and Umbrella Fall is another photographic destination. Third is Lingmala waterfall. Lingmala waterfall, one of the best location near Mahabaleshwar, which is located at the top of Vena Valley. This is one of the famous monsoon destination for nature lover. The waterfall is formed by Vena river and there are two falls. One is mini and the other is the main. One can swim and play in the mini fall. Fourth is Kune Fall. Is a scenic waterfall near Kune village. This is one of not to miss location if you are traveling to Lonavala. Falls in the valley with the backdrop of Sahyadri mountains. It is a three-tiered waterfall surrounded by lush greenery and provides the best experience. The waterfall is crowded in the monsoon but also it flows after some month of the monsoon. Fifth is Marleshwar waterfall. It is situated in Ratnagiri district near Devrug. The waterfall present near Marleshwar Shiva temple which is visited by huge number of devotees and tourists. Waterfall flows like Ganga. During the monsoon, the sight of the huge waterfall is marvelous. The alluring scenic spot, the grand waterfall, surrounded by dense forest and silence tend to create a long-term impression on your mind. Sixth is Someshwar waterfall. Is one of the must-visit places near Nashik. This is small but beautiful waterfall is formed over the Godavari river. The place turns very pleasant during the monsoon because of the huge water flows and greenery around. This waterfall is 2 km away from Someshwar temple and favorite among families and youngsters to spend a relaxed evening. There is also Balaji temple and waterfall which is must visit place. Seventh is Devkund waterfall. Is located near Bhira in Raigad district. It is one of the huge waterfall that pours massive amounts of water on the rocky surface underneath. This is popular one-day destination near Mumbai and Pune. Hence the viral on social media, it has become extremely crowded and it is closed during the heavy monsoon because of safety reasons. Post September one can visit here to experience alluring beauty of fall. 8 is Amboli Ghat waterfall, situated on the way which connects Kolhapur and Goa. The waterfall is very large and scenic in the jungle and concrete stair will lead you the base of falls. The waterfall attracts each tourist traveling through Amboli Ghat, which is already one of the best in monsoon. If you are long ride enthusiast, then you must take this route in monsoon, rather be aware of landslides. Ninth is Vihigaon waterfall, also called an Ashoka waterfall because of the scene from the movie Ashoka was shoot here. The waterfall is situated near Kasara Ghat in the deep forest and you will get a chance of small hiking through hilly forest. Also, this is an ideal spot for adventurous activity like waterfall rappelling. This is the best one-day picnic destination. 10th is Dabosa waterfall. Is situated in the village Dabosa in Palghar district. This is one of the highest waterfalls situated near Mumbai and located over the Lendi river. Dabosa waterfall is the best visited spot in a monsoon and is an adventure spot for kayaking, trekking, valley crossing and fishing. Surrounded by lush greenery, this is one of the excellent picturesque spots. 11th is Vajrai waterfall. Is situated at the Sahyadri hills near Satara. The backwater of the Vajrai waterfall are known as the Urmodi river project. There are a number of picnic spots nearby the Vajrai like Thosegar waterfall and Sajjangarh fort. The location can be reached by private vehicle or by ST from Satara stand. 12th is Dugarwadi waterfall. is a 30 km from Nashik on Trimbakeshwar road. The waterfall is a hidden gem deep within a green folds of Sahyadri forest. In a heavy rain, people are advised to take care because of the water level suddenly rise. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we are going to cover forts, hidden places and hidden waterfall across Maharashtra and near Mumbai, Pune. So stay tuned. Also, if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe.
Here we go.